it. Don't worry, Archie. We're about to beat it. Let's go. We made it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it flipped. It flipped on us. Good. Oh, let's go. Yes, we made it with the armored boat ever. It's like, I like live streams, so you know, it's pretty lit. Oh, yes. We're about to make it, boys. Boss. Let's go. Whoo. Whoa. Yes. Let's go. Let's go again, guys. Woo. Let's go again, boys. Whoa. We made it. Oh, he lost an arm. No. Our soldier out here. You're a good soldier. Come on, dude. Let's go. Everyone, make it. Pow! That's it. Yes. We got 100 gold. Now we can go to shop and, no. Okay, I'll let Sophia in. Let Sophia in, guys. I think she's a fan. Sweet. Okay, dude. Yeah. Join it. I'll add you, okay? Wait, we have a clue here, dude. Don't worry. May, check, whatever your name is. Dude, let's just let everybody in. Let's just let everybody in. Just let everybody. Come on, guys. Let's go. Build up. Let's go, boys. Okay. This is lit, guys, honestly. It's just so fun live streaming. I should do this more often, honestly. Who cares if it's laggy, guys? Just come on down. We're letting everybody in. Just build. This is crazy, boys. This is a crazy moment. Okay, I'll join. Phone. I love build a boat. Mine is the same. Okay. Let's go. Are you China Lang? Wait. Ouchie 503. Okay. Is this your count, dude? Is this you, Cookie, you Chang or something? Okay, I'll add you. Say. Okay, dude. This game is pretty much lit, though. Honestly, this game is pretty fun. I like how everyone wants to join us. Oh, okay. I accepted, bro. Okay, now you can join me. Join me up. Everyone, let's go again. I don't have hope in this. Let's go. Hey, let me in the king chair, boys. Let me in the king chair. Thanks. Yeah, no problem. Oof. Build a boat is actually pretty cool. I'm so definitely dull, dude. I'm just gonna make more live streams because, like, it's just so awesome, you know. It's pretty lit out here. Sometimes it's like super lit, like so good. I love it. Dude, plus ready. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Oh, just wait. Let Ouchie in. Ouchie, join our team. Join my team, boys. I'll let you in. Yes, let's go. Join. Let's go, boys. Oh, no. Get in. This is crazy, boy. What do we build? Okay. That's just built. I can... Oh, well, they spawn it in, dude. Spawn it in. Let's see how good it is. Ah! I'm stuck! I can't get out. Yeah, dude. Show me your boat. I can't get out right now. Okay, I escaped, dude. Okay, show me the boat. You might wanna... You have to move this, though, or it will be in the way. Oh, huh. Oh, okay, we can't remove this. Okay, dude, let's just go to red real quick, okay, the OG? Let's go to red. Go to red real quick. We're switching teams real quick. Come on, Ouchie. Go to red. Go to red real quick. I want to see your boat. Go to red team. Go to red. Ouchie. Listen. Go to red. Oh. Hola. Oh. Hola. Oh, no. Oh, no. No tango. Me lamo. Oh, jeez. I don't know what's... Oh, no. Okay. Never mind. I'm joining back in. I'll go back to white, dude. Come on, guys. Let me in. Okay, good. Oh, just wait. Is that your boat? Is that your boat? That looks awesome. Oh, how did you do that? I'm not even that good of a builder. How? That is awesome. So good. Did you put seats in here? Let's go. Let's just ready up. Let's go. There's a Spanish person I can't understand. Oh, come on, you guys, ready up. Ready up. No. Okay. So wait, I got. Should I use Google Translate? I feel like I should. Just wait. No, we flipped. Oh no, dude. Oh no. How do we manage to flip? No, Kana, I'll save you. Oh, just wait. That's him. That's the Spanish person. Just wait. I'll save you. Oh, you win. Yes. Oh. Okay. Okay, we saved the Spanish person, don't worry. He's in the live stream also. That's pretty lit. Apparently everyone likes build a boat, guys. Yeah, it's pretty lit. Oh! We're flipping over! We're going crazy. That's awesome. How we're going so fast. Oh, we flipped! Let's go. This boat is like so strong. Look at that. Look at that other boat, guys. Look at the outlook. Look how much pizzazz it's putting. This is so lit. Honestly, I should do more of these live streams now. Yeah, this game is so awesome. I didn't know how creativity you guys are. Yeah.
You like my boat, dude?
Yeah, I love it. Ooh. I think we got the most creative boat ever in 2016 history. 2018. Let's go. Oh, everyone likes this game. I can consider it why, though, honestly. It's just so awesome. Am I shooting my own boat? Oh, jeez. Oh, dude. This is so hype. So hype on the market. I can't believe, though, that there's a Spanish person. There's honestly a Spanish person. Alright. Oh, okay. Okay. Diamond Russia has like a private server, dude. Okay. Diamond, I have a thingy. I do have Discord. I have Discord. This way. I'll put it in. I don't know. Okay. I'll send you the link, okay? Copy, Control V. Show? I don't know. Yeah, that's fine. It's like XD. Yeah. Oh, nice. AD. 555. Oh, that's like 666. Illuminati confirmed. Ooh. Boys, we're doing so good. How are we surviving? Oof. This boat is just so good. I don't have Robux. Rep the dream. I can't believe this is so lit. 10 out of 10. Ooh. I only have 100 subscribers. Rep. Okay. It doesn't let me... Okay, I'll add you then, boy. Okay. But I have to put the private link, okay? You have to let everyone join because I want everyone to join. Okay, I sent you the phone request. Okay. Control V. Okay, there you go. There you are. Pow. Hi.
Oh my god.
Can you let everyone join, dude? Okay. Okay.
Oh my god.
This is lit. But after this though, yeah, we're going to the private server. I'm gonna let everyone